Hello sweet family, today we are making some baked chicken in the oven. So without further ado, let's get started. So here I have chicken legs which I cut into pieces, and I'm just seasoning with salt, ginger powder, mixed spice, and then here I have also some chicken seasoning. I also have here some mixed dry herbs, and then I have chili powder. So you can go ahead and add any preferable spice or ingredients of your choice. And now I'm just going to combine it all together and mix it very well. And I'm just adding just about a tablespoon of soy sauce. And then mixed all, then I'm going to cover this and allow it to marinate for about 30 minutes before I'm going to be baking this in the oven. So do feel free and use any ingredients of your choice. It must not be the same ingredient that I'm using. Just use what you love and you'll enjoy your recipe. So it's been 30 minutes now, and I'm just transferring it to my baking bowl. I just I just put in some kitchen food paper or baking paper on the bottom of it, and then I just cover with foil. This will help the chicken to be juicy, not to get dry. So after 30 minutes, I'm just going to remove the foil and then allow it to bake slowly in the oven until golden brown. So I'm just going to be adding some veggies, which are onion, cabbage, and bell pepper. So you can also use any vegetables that you prefer, or you can also choose not to add any vegetables at all. So I just cut them into the size that I want. And in my saucepan, I just add just about 2 tablespoons or 2 to 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil. And I'm going to stir fry this just for about 2 to 3 minutes. I don't want to overcook my vegetables. So now I will be adding the bell pepper and the cabbage, and then fry it for about 2 to 3 minutes all together. And this, I'm just going to be seasoning this just with salt and some white pepper. You can add more seasoning if you so wish, but salt and white pepper is perfect for these veggies. And then mix all together, make sure all is well combined. After that, I'm just going to check my chicken, and you can see the chicken is well baked. So I'm just going to transfer the veggies into the chicken, mix all together, and then put it back in the oven for about 2 minutes, and that will be it. The chicken will be ready to be served. So as you can see, this chicken is looking very juicy and very soft. And I'm just mixing all because I want the vegetables to be marinated with that nice juicy chicken stock or chicken sauce. So to all my subscribers, to all my returnees, I want to say a very big thank you. Thank you all for subscribing to this channel. Thank you for supporting me. And if today is your first time of clicking, you are highly welcome. Please do not forget to subscribe, share, do not forget to comment and like this video. And I'm also going to be leaving the list of the ingredients in the description box, so please do feel free to check it out. And you can see the chicken is well prepared, well marinated, looking so juicy. You can have this with rice, with fried yam, with fried plantain, with boiled yam, with anything of your choice. You can also just have it like that, like a barbecue. You can see it's looking so juicy and very soft. So I hope you find this helpful. Stay safe, and I'll be seeing you all in my next one.